हाय फ्रेंड्स, सो आज हम रिव्यू करते हैं Vivo V20. So this is the latest phone of Vivo, which was released around 19th of October, and I just purchased this phone to make sure that I upgrade. And my previous phone was OnePlus 5. So today I'm going to share the unboxing experience and also tell you how this phone is versus the other phones in the market. So let's get started. Okay, so let's do the unboxing now. So this is the packaging of this Vivo V20, right? It's very well designed box and very sturdy. और ये इसके पीछे के डिटेल्स है Vivo V20 और इसमें आपको 44 मेगापिक्सल्स आई ऑटो फोकस कैमरा आएगा. This is the front camera, and I believe no other product of this range or other phones have this feature of 44 megapixels autofocus. Now this feature is usually there in DSLR cameras, and another feature is ultra sleek matte glass. Now matte glass obviously makes the phone look different, and they're also claiming, Vivo is also claiming this to be one of the very slim phones. And इसका नाइट कैमरा है इसमें और आपको 64 मेगापिक्सल्स का कैमरा है और प्रोसेसर है 720G Qualcomm Snapdragon प्रोसेसर. और यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं ये फ़ोन के डिटेल्स है. सनसेट मेलेडी कलर मैंने परचेज़ किया है और ये 8 GB का है और 128 GB इसका स्टोरेज है. सो द वे ऑफ फोन इज़ around 0.89 and body is 0.49, which is quite a bit less compared to other phones, and the screen size is 16.37 centimeters. So let's see what's there in the box. So what it says is there's one handset in it, one charger, one USB cable, and warranty card, quick guide, SIM ejection tool, one case, and one earphone. Quite interesting. And as I said, this is just released, so the manufacturing date is September 2020. So let's open the phone now, and of course take a look at the price. It says 27,990, and I'll share my experience on how it's been. So I've already opened this box, but I've tried to repack it for our review today, just to give you a better idea of what can you expect in the box. So let's open the box right now. Right, so once you open it, you have this pouch. This pouch has some details, like you have the SIM ejection tool, the warranty card, and then the case, which is pretty good. Let me keep it aside. Now comes the phone. Amazing. Look at this. This is the phone, and you have the camera here, and you have some details about the handset. Okay, let's keep it aside till we explore the entire box. This is just a cardboard to support it. You have the USB cable, you have the earphones, and then is the charger. So this is 33 watts charger, and this works on the flash charge technology, which is of 2.0. And again, this is slightly heavier than other chargers of Vivo. Personally, it's my first experience to use a Vivo phone. Of course, I have some family members who are already using Vivo, which made me think of changing my phone from another brand to Vivo, just to try and see if I feel it as good as they feel. Right, so this is the badge again, so I'll have it kept like this. अब ओपन करते हैं हमारा हैंडसेट. So handset again, extremely sleek. Let's see how it's gonna be. Wow, So this handset, आप जो handset देख रहे हो, this has a sticker on it which is already from the box itself. You don't have to apply any sticker or screen guard. And this is the sunset melody color, which is again the flagship color of this latest phone. And what you're seeing is again the camera here, and if I take you through the close-up of this is the 64 megapixel camera, and there's another one of 11.82, and there's another of 16-26. So these are the lens descriptions of this camera, and this is the front view of the phone. Extremely amazing. And look at this, how sleek it is. Wow, this is metallic look, and यहाँ के पीछे आपको matte finish मिला है. This is more like a glass feel, but looks amazing. I'm sure this will help you avoid fingerprints, because I personally don't see any fingerprints or anything while using it, right? And यहाँ पे आपको है volume buttons, up, down, metallic feel, and your power button has some matte finish to this, which is kind of giving a better grip, right? So I hope you're able to see it. So let's see what else can we expect. I'm going to turn on the phone. I've put the SIM card already. Let's boot the phone now. Okay. And one other best thing about this phone while it turns on is this is based on the Android 11 operating system. Android 11 has just been released, and this phone is based on the Android 11 operating system. Coming days or in the near future, you can expect a lot of upgrades coming in to stabilize the operating system and to make it better. But so far it's been amazing. So let me see if I can log in. Okay, so this is how the phone home screen looks like, and there are a lot of pre-installed applications related to Vivo, like the Vivo App Store, the iManager, a lot of new things that I'm seeing on Vivo versus the other phones I had, right? And this is again hot games, where you can look for the latest games which are happening, hot apps, install them according to your convenience. So all in all, I think this phone has got an amazing build quality, which is very, very appealing. And here you're seeing the USB 2.0 charger point. This is the speaker, and this is 3.5mm headphone jack, right? So it feels premium, right, to the price Vivo is offering it for. It feels premium, and I personally find it amazing. So I tell you, formerly I was a OnePlus 5 user, and after that I thought this phone will be a better choice if I have to change to a latest phone. And of course, this is the flashlight, and this is how the phone looks like. So let's get into the settings and look at more details. Okay, about the phone, this is device name is Vivo V20. It has SIM 1 and SIM 2 slot, and to remind you, this also has external storage card option, where you can upgrade the memory if you would like to. And as I said, this is Android 11 version. So it's been 2 to 3 days that I'm using this phone, and so far it's been amazing. You're seeing this processor is 2.3 GHz Snapdragon 720G octa-core processor. So to the platform and the hardware that Vivo is providing, I think it's doing a reasonable job, because apart from the regular social networking apps and things like that, I also I have my kids also play games on it, which is working well for them. And I also have the office applications working well on it. Before we wrap up, let me show you the camera quality as well, right? So this is the back camera, and look at it. This gives an amazing feel, of course, with some pre-installed Vivo camera app options like photo, the portrait, the night mode, and the video mode. Another thing that I found interesting is the dock option, right? So if you're willing to click any documents, you can do that. You also have the panoramic option, slow motion, AR stickers, and a lot of other options. So good to explore. I'm sure every option will be meaningful and it's going to be helpful. And there's a small icon of lens which will help you do the super wide angle, super macro, or there's another feature called bokeh. So I'll leave it for you to explore it, but so far the camera quality has been amazing. So while we talk, let me take a quick picture and show you how it's gonna look like. Okay, so this is how the output came in, and look at the zoom, right? So how much ever zoom I do, the clarity is amazing. And if I have to show you the front camera mode, I'm going to click few pictures and put it as part of my video to show you how the front camera looks like as well, right? So this is what I had for you today. Go through the video and share your views and comments on how your experience has been if you've already bought a Vivo V20. If you're willing to buy, if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you. Alright, so great talking to you all. Stay connected. Have a great day ahead and great festival time. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.